everyone, so this is Sakshi Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to create a top from my old Plazo. I had this idea since many days, but today I am going to finally create it. Hope for the best result. So just watch my video and enjoy it.
Follow the steps as shown in this video. Spread the plazo nicely so that the already done stitches will be visible, and cut the V-shaped area if there is no V-shaped stitching there, so you can draw it with the help of a chalk or a marker. You can give any shape as per your choice. The drawn shape will be converted into the neck of the top. Now simply cut out the marked area. Ta-da! And it's ready. It's looking so beautiful and classy. Black is a classy color and it's my all-time favorite. So guys, now it's time for a hack. Take a rubber band and follow the steps as shown in this video. Isn't it looking so good? I loved it. This sleeve hack will go on any outfit or any look. Like, look at this. It's looking so good and amazing. So this is the final look, and I must say the result I didn't expect it. It's looking so beautiful and classy. I have wore a white pant with it and a neck piece and did a simple hairstyle. Even though you don't wear any makeup and look homeless, this black top will be a game changer. The fitting of this top is really perfect. So everything is so perfect in this outfit, in this video. Honestly speaking, this outfit has made me self-obsessed. And yes, this is my favorite clip of this video. I love to flip my hair. The neck piece is giving a vibe to this outfit, but this top itself is 10 on 10. So here's the second look with the same top. I have wore a skirt with it, and the black earring is working as cherry on the top. Again, had to go with simple hairstyle because the outfit itself stealing the whole look. Now I am using the same neck piece, not as neck piece, but using it as hair accessory. No, it's not looking that good on me, but you guys may try it. It may work for you. This idea is good. I will try it on another outfit. So here's the second one. This is also looking so good, but if you ask me to choose any one of them, I will definitely choose the black one. Again, I am trying the same hack with this top. Its sleeves are longer than the black one. I was sure that it will work with it too. The both tops have came out so good. Oh, please ignore my tired face. I was so freaking tired making this video. By the way, I didn't really expected this kind of result, but I must say it has came out so beautiful and I am loving it. Hope so you do. I really love the both tops, but the obviously favorite one is my black top. It was really fun making tops from my old Plazo. You can also try it. And one suggestion, if you are trying it for the first time, go with old one in order to avoid regrets. Hope you enjoyed my video and thank you so much for watching it, and see you soon in my next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye.